Uy! Ma'am Chinjan!
Ito si Ma'am Cynthia na, boy.
Oh, doon ako kay Berm. Ay, Ma'am Chinjan.
Ayan, hi, kuya. Sige.
Ma'am Chinjan! Baka mo rin.
Ang galing daw ni Bridges.
Aga ngayon, yes. What's up, guys?
Mag-ano kami.
Ang dami nyo.
Ilang viewers mo?
Ganyan.
500.
540.
Pakalakas mo naman.
560 viewers.
Sa 560 viewers po ni manager, hindi niya mababasa lahat ng
open ko lang. 600 na kayo agad.
So dito na kayo lumipat sa akin para mabasa kayo iba.
Thank you, Chris.
Mayo, thank you. Hello, Stephanie.
Thank you, Jen. Burger kayo dyan, burger. Face the wall. Hello sa watch. Hello sa mga taga Paris, France. Thank you, Rosberg.
Game mo pa na kami ako. 1, 2, 3, go.
Jen. Thank you, Jen. Thank you, Kathy.
Walang maingingin, so alam nyo na tulog si Kalo.
Thank you, Zen.
Tandaan nyo anong oras nagsimula, 8:30, matatapos to 5:30. Thank you, Entwined and Jen. Nandiyan pa rin sila, salamat. Puyatan ba ulit? Ay, hi daw from Cavite. Hello po, hindi ko nabasa yung ano. Riza po. Hello, kumusta? Bukas niya nagisingin siguro.
Super Migs, Shing, Kathy, Jenner. Thank you.
Yung pasok ngayon naman. Buwan ng pasok ngayon.
Walang pasok ngayon, guys. Hi, Cha. Hi, Rose. Hi, EJ. Angie.
Please.
Welcome, Teen.
Nanonood pa kayo. Sino na?
Thank you sa pag-like sa story ko sa IG. Bridget. Hi, Elaine. Thank you, Jasmine.
Hold on. At 6 pa lang ako.
Natulugan ko live mo kapon, sabi ni Seth. Angeline. Hi, Angeline. Coffee Choco. Wow, hindi madaling araw nag-live. Sabi nyo, agahan ko eh. Ayan na guys, maaga na tayo. Uy! Thank you, Edelmore. Thank you, Yusha. The way you got me holding my head. Think around with my bed. I believe you know I can take it. How many days till I can see her working? He
guys. So,
Thank you, Jenny. Chelsea, good luck sa exam mo. Good luck sa major exam. Basic yan, basic. Uy! Uy, ano yun? Thank you, Hazel. First gift ni Hazel. Oh, good evening. Good evening, Hazel. Thank you, thank you.
However it is, you know I can take it. How many days till I can see you again?
Ma'am Hazel Teen, thank you. Cute mo umiyak. Kumain na po kayo. Yes. Nagkaon ka na, lab. Ay, April. Thank you, April. Joyreen, review na yan. Review na. Hi, Reese. Hi, Marife. Joanne. Jasmine, thank you.
All I know.
Cindy, hi. Hi. Kakal, good luck mo ako bukas, sabi ni Kakal. Saan yan? Ano gagawin mo bukas? Hi, Reyang. Thank you, Reyang. Thank you, Tot. Thank you, Shing.
Wala.
Thanks, Rosel. Thank you, Acil. Thank you, Martha. Ano po title ng song kanina? Daisies. Hi, Cha. Hi, Martha. Thank you. Ekang, thank you, Ekang. Pang motivation sa exam, Kakal, galingan mo sa exam mo. Basic yan, basic.
Hindi ba namin
Chicks Loves, thank you, Chicks Loves. May hand heart. Mary, good luck sa exam, Mary. Thank you, Martha. Thank you, Cha. Hi, Hearty. Hazel Gladys. Thank you. Thank you, Mela. Thank you, Early. First gift nila. Nek makulit. Sige.
iPhone keys, lip gloss on it, and on my days, she keeps on talking. It's comedy,
Hi, Cyril.
baby.
Thank you, Jasmine. Thank you, Martha.
It's hard to face, like water to a flower, babe. I know you need no rain. Nothing needs to work out, and nothing needs to break. No need to pretend that you're okay.
Cry on my shoulder, me.
Cry on my shoulder.
Mines, Jem, thank you. Maurice. Denver, good luck din sa exam mo. Sa mga may quiz, may exam, basic lang yan. Basta magbabasa tayo. Colnix. Thank you, Colnix. Go baby, go baby, go baby, go baby, go baby. Go baby, go baby, go baby, go baby, go baby, go. Krisha, good luck sa exam. Basic. Jennifer. Thank you, Jennifer. Miss Inra, April, thank you. Mines, your RB, thank you. Like water to a flower, babe, I know you need the rain. Nothing needs to work out and nothing needs to fade. Don't need to pretend it's a buffet. It's on my shoulder, you're turning to me. Cry on my shoulder, whenever you need. Move it up